Welcome back to day 26 of your English shadowing challenge. Today, we're learning simple phrases you can use during a basic doctor's checkup. Shadow with me in 3 paces: very slow, slow, and medium, and build your confidence step by step. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. I'm here for a checkup. I'm here for a checkup. I'm here for a checkup. I've been feeling unwell. I've been feeling unwell. I've been feeling unwell. I have pain here. I have pain here. I have pain here. It started a few days ago. It started a few days ago. It started a few days ago. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. I've been coughing a lot. I've been coughing a lot. I've been coughing a lot. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I'm taking this medication. I'm taking this medication. I'm taking this medication. I don't have any allergies. I don't have any allergies. I don't have any allergies. My blood pressure is usually normal. My blood pressure is usually normal. My blood pressure is usually normal. Can you check my temperature? Can you check my temperature? Can you check my temperature? I've been stressed lately. I've been stressed lately. I've been stressed lately. I haven't been sleeping well. I haven't been sleeping well. I haven't been sleeping well. My appetite has changed. My appetite has changed. My appetite has changed. It hurts when I breathe. It hurts when I breathe. It hurts when I breathe. Can you explain the results? Can you explain the results? Can you explain the results? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Great job completing day 26 of your shadowing challenge. Keep practicing these doctor's office phrases until they feel natural. I'll see you in day 27. Keep going. You're improving every single day.